So your Oracle ULA is coming to an end. What now? Here's what actually happens when the term expires. Step 1. Certification. You need to count every Oracle deployment, every server, every database, every VM, and declare that usage to Oracle in a formal certification letter. This is your only shot to lock in perpetual licenses. If you say, we have 120 Oracle DBs and 50 WebLogic installs, and Oracle accepts, that's what you now own permanently. But here's the catch. Oracle doesn't just take your word for it. Their audit team, often called LMS, will typically get involved. You may be asked to run Oracle scripts, provide data, and basically cooperate like it's a soft audit. If you've deployed anything outside the ULA, like an excluded product or something in the wrong territory, Oracle will flag it, and it won't count. After certification, your unlimited use ends. You now have a finite number of licenses. Need more later? You'll have to buy them or sign a new ULA. Support continues, usually at the same rate you paid during the ULA, even if you certified a massive amount of licenses. That's great value if you deployed aggressively, but you can't reduce support later, even if you don't use all the licenses. Oracle locks it in. Here's the risk. If you miss something in the certification or skip the process entirely, you'll be non-compliant, and Oracle will audit. Some companies end up renewing the ULA at a higher cost just to cover gaps, even if they didn't plan to. Bottom line, don't sleep on certification. Start early, get it right, and avoid turning the end of your ULA into an expensive problem.